This video will show you how to verify, or change the general settings for your Electude site. In the administrator account, the general settings can be found in the general folder of the settings page. The language option allows you to set the default language for your Electude site. All the language in the drop-down menu can be selected. The Other Languages option controls whether individual users can set language for their own account. When set to user settable, individual users will be able to set a language different from the default site language for their own account. When set to no other languages, only the default language will be available for the users. The Login menu option controls whether a login menu will be shown on your site homepage. This menu allows users to choose different login types. When set to no, only the student login link will be shown. To log in as a teacher, add /t-login to your site URL. To log in as the administrator, add /a-login to the URL. The Welcome Text on Site option allows you to add welcome message to your site homepage. The Content Mapping option selects which content mapping structure to use for your site. The Accounts option controls how password is generated for the teacher and student accounts. The password can be automatically generated by the system, and sent to the users via email, or specified by the site administrator or teachers. The administrator can specify password for both students and teachers. The teachers are able to specify password for students only.